How much do you know about the ketogenic diet? Did you know it can be used to help treat epilepsy in certain situations? Hi, and welcome to this Megabite online nutrition course on the ketogenic diet, a treatment for epilepsy. Our presenter is Bridget Surtees, a South African registered dietitian with over 18 years of clinical experience. She has a private practice specializing in pediatric nutrition, eating disorders, and nutritional therapy for people with features of the metabolic syndrome. This course will teach you how to differentiate and describe the basic ketogenic diet used in the treatment of epilepsy and understand the steps in initiating, monitoring, and stopping the ketogenic diet. This course is approved by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics as 2 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple-choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form, and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link to get started now.